You can reference classes using their full namespace or by using the using directive to simplify code. Using the full namespace, such as System Console WriteLine, ensures clarity but can make the code verbose. The using directive, like using system, allows you to call console WriteLine without specifying the namespace each time. This improves readability and reduces redundancy, especially when working with multiple classes from the same namespace. While the using directive is preferred for common namespaces, using the full namespace is useful when dealing with naming conflicts or when only a few references are needed.